Donald Trump, who secured a victory over Kamala Harris, leveraged AI tools in unprecedented ways, allowing him to outmaneuver his opponent in key battleground states. While AI's potential to spread misinformation raised concerns, its ability to micro-target voters and craft personalized messages gave Trump a significant edge. This election cycle also saw the rise of AI-generated content, deepfakes, and predictive algorithms that forecasted voter behavior with remarkable accuracy. Did you know that for the 2024 election, Trump's campaign invested tens of millions into AI-enhanced voter outreach, predictive models, and digital ad optimizations? The stakes have never been higher, and the deployment of AI could be a blueprint for future political races. Let's dive deep into how AI shaped the race and Trump's investment in this transformative technology. Welcome back our channel AI Finds, where we explore the latest trends in AI and its use. Artificial intelligence played a multifaceted role in the 2024 U.S. elections, impacting everything from campaign strategy to voter engagement. While concerns about AI-generated disinformation were widespread, its more significant influence came through data analytics, micro-targeting, and personalized messaging. One of the most effective uses of AI in Donald Trump's 2024 campaign was micro-targeting voters based on psychographic data. This strategy allowed his team to tailor messages to individual voters based on their behavior, preferences, and emotional triggers. By analyzing vast amounts of data from social media interactions, online behavior, and even purchasing patterns, Trump's campaign could predict what issues mattered most to different voter segments and craft messages that resonated with them on a personal level. For instance, conservative-leaning voters who were concerned about immigration received messages emphasizing border security and national sovereignty, while economically anxious voters were targeted with promises related to job creation and economic growth. This level of precision was made possible by machine learning algorithms that continuously refine their predictions based on real-time feedback from voters. Trump's campaign also made extensive use of AI-generated content to flood social media platforms with tailored messages. This included not only text-based content, but also images, videos, and even deepfakes designed to sway public opinion. For example, during key moments in the campaign, AI-generated videos were released that portrayed hypothetical scenarios under a Biden-Harris administration. Scenarios that played on voters' fears of economic decline or international conflict. The Republican National Committee released an entirely AI-generated video titled "Beat Biden," which depicted a dystopian future if Joe Biden were re-elected. The video was designed to evoke strong emotional responses by showing fabricated news reports about crises under Biden's leadership. While such tactics raised ethical concerns about misinformation, they proved effective in rallying Trump's base. AI's ability to analyze vast data sets also provided Trump's campaign with insights that would have been impossible just a few election cycles ago. Predictive analytics allowed his team to identify swing voters who could be persuaded with the right messaging. By focusing resources on these voters in key battleground states like Michigan and Pennsylvania, Trump was able to secure narrow victories that ultimately decided the election. Jared Kushner, Trump's son-in-law and one of the architects behind his data-driven strategy in 2016, played a similar role in 2024 by overseeing the deployment of advanced analytics tools. These tools helped the campaign allocate resources efficiently by determining which regions would yield the highest return on investment for advertising dollars. Fundraising is another area where AI proved invaluable for Trump's campaign. By analyzing donor behavior and predicting which individuals were most likely to contribute based on past donations and online activity, AI algorithms helped optimize fundraising efforts. Personalized emails and text messages were sent out at strategic times when donors were most likely to give, resulting in millions of dollars in contributions that fueled Trump's final push toward victory. How much did Trump invest in AI? While exact figures are hard to come by due to the opaque nature of political spending on technology, estimates suggest that Trump's campaign invested tens of millions of dollars into AI-driven strategies during the 2024 election cycle. This includes spending on data analytics firms, machine learning engineers, and digital advertising platforms that utilize AI algorithms for micro-targeting. In addition to direct spending on technology infrastructure, Trump's campaign benefited from partnerships with tech-savvy allies like Elon Musk. Musk's platform X, formerly Twitter, played a crucial role in amplifying pro-Trump messages through both organic posts and paid advertisements powered by AI-driven algorithms. Musk contributed significantly to Trump's campaign, with Federal Election Commission disclosures revealing approximately $132 million in donations to Trump and other Republican candidates. This included large contributions of $43.6 million and $75 million directly to Trump's campaign through the America PAC, founded by Musk. Additionally, Musk donated $10 million to the Senate Leadership Fund. Beyond financial support, he also spearheaded a voter mobilization campaign in key states, offering daily $1 million incentives to voters. Musk's support extended to election night, where he joined Trump's office. This multifaceted backing from one of the world's wealthiest individuals significantly boosted Trump's campaign and contributed to his electoral success. Looking ahead, it is clear that artificial intelligence will continue to play an increasingly important role in U.S. elections. As technology advances, campaigns will be able to create even more personalized content at scale while using predictive analytics to fine-tune their strategies down to individual voters. One area where we are likely to see further development is in automated voter outreach systems powered by generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. These systems could handle everything from answering questions about candidates' policies to helping voters find polling locations or register for absentee ballots, all without human intervention. Another potential application is in vote processing itself. Automated signature verification systems powered by machine learning have already been used in some states during previous elections, and their adoption is likely to grow as election officials seek ways to streamline vote counting while ensuring accuracy. Donald Trump's victory in the 2024 U.S. presidential election was significantly aided by his campaign's strategic use of artificial intelligence. From micro-targeting individual voters with personalized messages to leveraging predictive analytics for resource allocation, Trump's team demonstrated how powerful AI can be when used effectively in political campaigns. While concerns about misinformation remain valid and must be addressed before future elections, the benefits of using AI for legitimate purposes like voter engagement and fundraising are undeniable. As technology continues to evolve, so too will its role in shaping not just U.S. elections, but democratic processes worldwide. In this new era of politics driven by data and algorithms, the candidate who best understands how to harness these tools will likely hold a decisive advantage at the ballot box. What do you think about the use of AI in latest U.S. elections? Let us know in comment below, and do not forget and subscribe our channel AI Finds.